Happy Juneteenth to all who celebrate. Woo! Juneteenth, Juneteenth, Juneteenth. You probably heard about the holiday before, but never really understood the reason for celebration. Well, today is your lucky day. I got you. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another conversation with Chichi, your front row seat to all things Africa and the diaspora. Juneteenth is a holiday in the United States that commemorates the end of slavery, specifically the day when the last enslaved African Americans were finally freed. Let me explain. On January 1st, 1863, U.S. President Abraham Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation, declaring that all enslaved people in the Confederate States were free. But here's the painful truth. That news didn't reach everyone. It wasn't until June 19th, 1865, over 2 years later, that Union soldiers arrived in Galveston, Texas, and told the last group of enslaved black people that they were in fact free. That day became known as Juneteenth, short for June 19th. And for generations, black communities in the US have honored it as their true Independence Day. Juneteenth isn't just about looking back. It's a time to reflect on resilience, to honor ancestors, and to celebrate black freedom and excellence in all its forms. You'll often see people wearing red, black, and green, colors from the Pan African flag, symbolizing the blood, the land, and the strength of African people worldwide. Across the country, Juneteenth is celebrated with cookouts and block parties, storytelling and spoken word, music, dancing, parades, reflection, education, and of course, community service. So today, we pause to recognize pain, perseverance, and progress. To everyone observing Juneteenth, we see you, we honor your journey, we celebrate your joy, and we are wishing you a day filled with meaning, remembrance, and pride. Happy Juneteenth once again. Have so much fun and stay safe. If you're new here, be sure to follow to stay updated on the stories, shifts, and standouts shaping Africa and the diaspora. From breakthroughs to breaking news, I'm Chichi, and this is another conversation. See you in the next one. Bye. You make me happy. Somebody said invite me to a cookout. Let me go. I gotta go.